Welcome. This is how to change your password on the Messenger. So first thing is just simply go ahead and go to your Messenger application into your device. Now over here, select the three lines on the top left corner of the screen. And right after that, you can just simply go ahead and go to the gear icon on the top right to go through the settings. Now over here on the settings, you could just simply go ahead and scroll down a little bit until you see here, see more in accounts center. Now over here guys, you should be able to see password and security, and you will have an option right away, change the password. So go ahead and tap on that. And from here, just simply select your Facebook account. And right after that, as you can see, you can just simply go ahead and provide your current password that you have on your account. And you can just simply provide your new password over here and just simply retype it down below. And right after that, you will have an option down below whether you want to log out of all devices that are logged in into your account and they have to log in, and after that, you will have an option to select change password at the bottom. There you go. If you found this video helpful, guys, please like and subscribe. And if you have any questions, just simply go ahead and comment down below, and we will do our best to answer them all. And see you in the next video.